The PVCC Pharmacy Technician program can be completed within a year. At the conclusion of the program, students sit for a certification exam, and upon passing the exam, they become a national pharmacy technician. Graduates of the program can be employed in the inpatient or outpatient hospital setting or a retail setting like Walgreens or CVS.
I love the hands-on capabilities of everything, from visiting the hospitals to visiting the pharmacies to coming back to the laboratory and taking what we've seen and putting into actions by making compounds or by counting medications. The Pharmacy Tech program trains you. For one moment you're going to be in the pharmacy and you're going to be unsupervised, and this program will prepare you for that moment.
My hope for students that leave the program is to leave with soft skills. The technicians are part of the healthcare team, and even though we don't administer medication, we have a lot to do with patient health, patient safety. Patient-centered care is what I talk about, but I try and lead through student-centered care, showing the students exactly what those soft skills look like.